Ebushan for my mama Akwaba Eba Ghana TV GH mesra or like a comment subscribe and turn on notification so that anytime a posty video bit is we are Usambeka be. Ebushan for baby 1 month na papa out in the kitchen. Oh nimshi. Onimshi because Charlie ye move beyond. Ebia ye need sa popularity as a papa no, but it is because of Ghana. Ghana no go for mudin sem funin sem hunu. Omuna most of the time go for pe omashe. And yes, sir, anka ye mubi. I want MPP more at least Yekasano. We should have, be considered ahead of Sapa Party in the kitchen. No? But that notwithstanding, Adebia Mimi GDP and say a process with time. Obia time beba, obia mre beba. As we are growing as a people, no, Yen Crawford are beginning to realize, say, what politics and a game of insult, about ideas. And very soon, we'll be to say, Papa or ten year kitchen on there. On any audience, except for a few die-hard NDC fans, they will still be going to the platform to listen to whatever he has to say. Now, the reason I'm talking about Papa or ten year kitchen and I say, we say from Mbe 1 month near, now, Papa no, what started diversional tactics be. Now, diversional tactics, they say, or the Nijini, meaning Kosiasem, sorry for my choice of words, Eddie call a Omampinda Daya John Ajekun Kufuor so. Ebushanfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia, se wope photographers omunim juma, ebano editing, omutwa pictures, omu cameras, akese, lenses akese, omu drones, ni bibia ope bia no, touch of the way photography for, omu naba was screen so esa wo contact omu, say yeah, a wedding, funeral, birthday party, and I say assassin been put na one na say we hear drone video, ni drone pictures of assassina. But modern say wa contact touch of the way photography. Bebia upe se omu ye juma no ma o Ghana ha bebia no. Omu ye claro na omu ya ma and omu ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot. Mo manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo. And they catch them say Ghana TV GH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana TV GH4 and I recommend you mupe, when you the special discount. Madam say. Now Ebushan for Obianem say you can one of the stalwarts of this nation. One of the finest brains this nation or Ghana proud of and internationally recognized Omampini John Ajekun Kufuor. John Ajekun Kufuor nipa on a regime that was not really willing to switch in a democratic dispensation. No mutume kunto kwa owini. Oyo bianca South Africa no tia anka oni Nelson Mandela anka difference gebre eni omuntemsa. Esan say omampini Kufuor ba obe omampini no. Na nema bebre wo ho a anka betimi aye di mafia the former president Jerry John Rawlings any NDC for. But Oyoman Penipia, he went the route of reconciliation. And that was one of the things that till date Oman Peni John Ajekun Kufuor is respected for. Yeah. Because Oyobia or Jin Ghana democracy neho. Ehu say, Debbie, idea we met me ayo, mami ye we are ebe ha Ghana democracy no. Now Papa out in the kitchen. Obeka say me say Kufuor na Shraj report B eba say Kufuor na wako to hotel B na blah 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 blah. And then me say me clear. Because I say Ghana no once a misinformation be wo ho a ye repeat pe no ebe ye nkrofo say no kre no. But enye no kre. And it's very important say some of the things there yen no. In fact, according to me research any me investigation and me yeah no me copy say yera Allotey Jacobs or former regional chairman Emma NDC or Central Region ono na confess say sa hotel nyama ni se Kufuor ni obi akọ obroni bie wo ba baby no ono omu Allotey Jacobs ni nkrofo na ometina se omuamu dem edi cookie up that story. Na a propaganda story bia omu feel say omu toma Ghana for it will incite the emotion of Ghanaians. And that was going to lead to the defeat of MPP and the victory of NDC. And your mwana muyeye. And it said, obiting in kitchen now, sorry, several years after. And now Kufuor be especially people who have been part of those plans have come out and with their own mouth, or my confession say, asem no cry, asem no money. Then you are trying to now revive such an issue. Aden maybe so Kufuor or contest the election biana. Jana Jekun Kufuor, person obey or mampeni biomana. And yen Jimmy say, Nepa oba be contest or NPP for electing a some bear flag bearer to Tamamudu Baomiano. Or one crop for me NDC for they are now clearing his name. Every single day under this government, Baumia is being vindicated. And I sorry, no, you say Baumia, asema oka say Ghana card recognized ID card international airports be brain. Omwana mwanu ebeka say. Omwana mbeka say, they say the Ghana card over 44,000 airports worldwide. They accept the Ghana card as identification. Omwana omuma ye hu say enne haptel enye Baumia die sana yentro. Enti oyo obia oyo strategic anka esa ojin say Baumia is clearing his name. Baumia is gaining back the affection of the people. How do you work against that? Instead of that, who the cause assembly come and penny Kufuor. Now ye catch us say who didn't cause assembly come and penny Kufuor soon. Yen su ye di asem beko former president su. And them say we respect the memory of the dead. But at their kitchen cabinet run, at their be a bit foresee. Because in truth, papa tamels of the memory. And yeah, there be fines out. We have issues. We have issues that we can speak about. But for the respect of his memory, your friend was Sumjura. Yen MPP for crana baby or dano. Yen ye ho proper. A bra and this before abandoning the place for over 4.5 years. Yeah. But says our kitchen, papa outing in the kitchen per se, on reviving old wounds, sir. And on be a crowded damoa. We are ready for him. Bien slow, biawa.
Coca, can I dinner with the guano? If you can see a dream, can I dinner with the good pedator? So much I blank or danger. Coca, wouldn't my blank or danger on? You're funny free mind. So only what you Coca, never did dances, a dear bonnet as they see a manuka say. On a penicu for NDC. Catch me. And because of Omudin Kwasi Assembly Ibrahim Mahama Kron on was my air they try to use that Peniku for Assemble, have a blackmail system, no. Said the bay amount for a yin of wagging a free a dear Omoyan Suntino. What of fat on Peniku for from nowhere? Say, I will tell me, you can't say, yen never did dance, say. Allotey Jacobs, about this, I'm gonna share them. A form with Charles Antron, any gold was a money to Kufuor. So, a young about Tebeka. I'm a Allotey Jacobs, a quanin chain. Kwame is a fuck higher than me. One more to an amount, a quanin chain, a copanichow. Allotey Jacobs was some years I didn't read or hear more normal nam. Yari no quiet was who we are. One train my name answer. And to avoid it out. It in some Kevin Taylor can you Nansen Ababianim, a nitre hotel Samaoka, Ascendia Oka Biano. Aya dia washes almost said that say, one would be every free motto. Kufuor make na fragbella. Kufuor to say, on Gaza or Quasam mind, or co MP. Or magic position be our Bible say, when we are a what if ye. Abranchi said, was it Nicola Fallon Square, and you boom to Kuno. Because Kevin Taylor, Kofaba, I was here Kuno. I know the Miko. abrante we say e wo si kum ompani Kufuor ompani Kufuor boni a waye nyina ne say tie ne yi o ye to mama no na nyame ya adom na wode free maternity care health insurance buy feeding program ebra o minus ye ni din and then we ye ni say ye for ni go firing squad ni money to nku no and that is the NDC black because some dey enim from why moja kumunipa hwe moja gu kumunipa makata say NDC on odi tie say dey NDC focus and yet the first time abamu we kasa asem okay the same thing during another era say nanado ebusuafo e wo se ekumu na ye show mu na se no mo bo man no any first time this kind of statement I am one say John Dramani Mahama acted to say obi a wo ye ofiri from the PA ya afenu obasa so eti bibia ye foforo ase John Dramani Mahama acted to say ofiri different word bi na PA eti de ekoso wo man no na ara say de na ekoso biara de ekoso biara no we hu afa ni wo system no mti no na ni subiri no and Coca look at the statement. Have you heard one of their supporters and NDC supporters say and even communicated in about they say free mind as some kind dangerous mti no yen kwache yen ko kuma mbani kuwe no and we ya okay say no say anye say omabani kuwo ewa ho bamba omakukuno omba sma kukuno to atwe. I'm telling you, NDC for you. We are all canon. Once you be condemned, there is nobody, even Christians, so-called Christian cancer for now, whom you may so-called one for. Once you be condemned, say, actually say, at the end, and come on Benikufu, even with your father's cry. Says, yeah, we somebody say, again, didn't know with Naswa, only Ninaswa Kevin Taylor. The Kevin Taylor ever can be no, no, should be no push it. And all the NDC apparatus has been quiet. Say Kevin Taylor the talk with Kufuor so they will not come out and say no, Minia, they are all yelling it. They support it. So where from you? Where from you, Goka? Where from you? Minumi na ordinary communicators. Yet na kasa in favor of the party. I think I'm panifoni bi kwa na omuna party ni si omosele so no emra wante meka mi bi say na nka ye ntete ma no na why no na communicator one day we should make a committee mpo and I will call card sin there about ye na because of NDC ka free bia omo frefra we dey ama wunti no we Jimmy abedi na no meka nkwasem and you think say why you are there obi achi obi dia ukọ ye chi obi dia on dey onye relevant ne money e wadi nku no enye problem ne money e wadi no ye ntua no so ka enye problem enne say wa emi be do wo so ye betra second the same thing dey tell and wrong ade bia wo ye bia no eya na wa bi wati no say NDC for bi enne say na MPP so betina ya ka they will not do that. And can only be one more. And can don't remain in my hammer. I'm catch when they conquer. And some baby okay, no name say you bet you suka. When we say after election, no, said the way ya or the Hunantino, obedient to me, Casa. And that is the motive or the years I was again now. And then now, Saka Tiana Warden, a Hano. Nebusia for a home. And brother all in nan why me say obi so busia o mufrimu na do free Christian Catholic say Timothy one more manim jobi sisi wo mo se mo na mo yes yes so tune for esisi o jobi na obi timi ka tell a whole family say tribe say omo ye sakawa omo ya kronfo wo bra woni evidence say omo ye mafias wo mo ni only evidence bi o. And nobody came out and say anything wrong. Nanado Kayakin, Obian San Condemo, only Namu, Bamwa, and that's any panel and whatever. Edin kwasasam ni eka o se wakase obisi yenkukum yemfa ne kodina violence squad ni yenkunu eni dia bayan kan say yenkum mama no. What is the difference, Coca? What is the difference? Tell me, Coca, what is the difference? Masa, this time no, you know. Say, you bring me a idea, and say, unfuse untiminya. Just stand by. Stand by. Don't come and fool. Stand by and leave the party to us. You need bring a better party. You know, now communicator. Se wudin kwasasam wo party mu so oba be jina oba trankofo ni jesu on ana oba ma ɛvil mu no na ni geni anfama nkofo nya so omo be kasa no oba din kwasa na bu nkofo mu a ade ye be ye wono kai na guo no okumbere sin kumbi abayo no okase fam ay Muhammad go jina violence squad ni nko pankasa we waye video se yemfa kufu go jina wo kufu boni bi boni bi a waye ba jondeman Muhammad ni nua wabaji da man ya no abayo na ye ne ya watem black voter de ma no eye yi aw ye wo Ghana jondeman Muhammad be kase Kufuor dunku ebewu ntam enti obewu eye abayo na ya unim sama ahoro a ensemu a NDC so ayi same baroma aka ama sa abayo yi ya otem for the whole 8 years yi a we woni mu o de ka san sem no and unim ye mu the case is when we hear why I go through. Because a simple as what is a cat say, party pania. What one ya. And say no money here on the way, Muna ye be a piano. Say Uber Jimmy Uber Jimmy. People about Jimmy go. See, my. Kawa na say enwu ze wukra no wani abre awoye no bi na ye support no u free say Jimmy ebe say mood no how for Jimmy free ko yem papa see my o the next time sambra na be keke kan kwasam so ni bim na obato dey won kwa anu say o me dey bayo no mpara 17 nko simple obi a won tamfo utimi hu obi na onya ohwe na time that's it a normal thing and I can see say girl no hu you hike o mpara asem the personality you hate her. That's it. So if you say, oh, they won't quite, that's simple. They are a tina of the corner now. And to quality mood. And somebody like you, our communicator, also customer party, I incident you at all. Or be not saying, Fanenco. You bet you. It's a cosa boy with the only eye, a boy with you as well. Catch that once, sorry, so. And I saw them so. You say, oh, sorry, as well. On the boss. Intende, my NDC from fetching now down. Say, be defend you. Never would Jimmy Quack Scaffia be. Never next year, but triumph. Now, I'm beside 10 table, or beside 10 against you. And on Uber here, and Abaya, what can I say? Uber here, and a 2 will be out by your be defending me. And on Uber here by your moi. The baby one, that one. Now, but why pass your penny? Physical. See a mind. Bye bye, Macau.